Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of computer. And today we will be solving the concept sheets of computer, in which the chapter will be Introduction to Computer. You all know computer is a device meant for solving problems, or there are so many uses of computer nowadays. We are seeing computers everywhere, right? So basically, computer has become one of the key aspects of our day-to-day routine, right? Mobile is also a type of computer. You do lots of things on the nowadays on the mobile, which were previously done on the computer. So let us move ahead in this very interesting chapter, right? Let us try to do some questions which are there in the concept sheet. Now children, see, concept sheets are meant to make you aware of those questions which are not in your book, but they are relevant to the chapter or the topic, right? So it's very important to do these concept sheets. Okay, so the first part is multiple choice question. See, which of the three is a man-made object? Now man cannot make a tree or fish, but what man can do? It can make a computer. So the answer is A. Okay, then we come to the second one. Which of the following is not true about human beings? Right, they get tired, they cannot make mistakes. See, here the key word is not true, right? Which is not true. So they get tired, they cannot make mistakes, they have feeling. We get tired, we have feelings, but we make mistakes also. So the B part is wrong here. Which of the following is true about computers? They work very fast, they get bored, they do not have good memory. Computer, yeah, they do not get bored, we can work day in and day out. They do not have, they have great memory, but what is wrong here is they work, what is correct here is they work very fast. Yes, they do work very fast. Fourth, computer cannot work without, see, they don't need water, because the moment you put water on a computer it will burst due to short circuit. Air, they don't need, but what they need is electricity. The moment electricity is off, the computer turns on to the battery, and the battery has a certain time span. After that it also dies out. So electricity is very essential. Computer has a very high, see, it is almost like the first sentence, rather the third one, third and fifth, it has a very high, the answer is speed. Okay, now let us tick mark the correct statement. A computer can work on its own. You leave a computer on and then do not say anything to it, do not input anything and ask it to work, it won't do anything, right? So the first one is a cross. Second one, human beings work faster than computer. Now generally human beings cannot. Generally there are some special cases where they do, but in some fields only, not in every field. Computer has equal speed in each and every field, so this is also wrong. Computer never forget information stored in them. Yeah, if the information is stored in them, they will never forget. It's true. Computer never makes mistake. Absolutely correct. If the information stored is correct, computer will not make mistake. Correct. Human beings can take decision, but computer cannot. Yeah, because it cannot do work. It cannot work on its own. See, 1 and 5 are linked. So this is also right. Okay. So let's move ahead. Right. Let's move ahead. Circle the heaviest computer from the following, and see the one with most of the peripheral parts will be the heaviest one. So it is A, which is the heaviest here. Now the smallest computer, next one, yes, obviously the smallest computer has to be a mobile phone. Your mobile phone is the smallest computer. Write and name. So I leave the rest of the exercise for you to do, because I feel you can do it. Only one question remains. So identify and write the name of each of the type. You should do it on your own, right? So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.